Hi, Emma. It's the year 2020.
Wow, it's like a time capsule.
Yeah.
Oh, just think, she's going to be watching that video on a TV that hasn't even been invented yet. And they'll be living in a floating city that the humans built to escape the ant people.
That's the hope.
There you go.
Chandler, I'm gonna have you arrested.
Why?
You stole my moves. This is a party. Come on. Joey, dance.
Does that mean we gotta start buying our own toilet paper?
I've been given the gift of time. Bye. No touch, no touch. Here I am.
Wash your hands!
How did you know?
Would it be okay if I cleaned it? No? Why is everything different?
You should go outside and be with the three-dimensional people.
No. Inside, good. Outside, bad.
You think I need a new walk? What? Well, I've been walking the same way since high school. You know how some guys, they walk into a room and everybody takes notice? I think I need a take notice walk.
Are you actually saying these words?
I want to show you how to fold the toilet paper into a point.
I'm Monica. I wash the toilet 17 times a day, even if people are on it.
Can I see the book? You want me to wash my hands first, don't you?
You have a plan?
I don't even have a plan. Monica, how did this happen? I thought you had this all planned out.
Do you want me to cry? Is that what you want? Do you want to see me cry?
What's my little chef got for me tonight?
Your favorite.
Fried stuff with cheese.
Party! So great! A party! I don't know why.
Oh my gosh! Rachel, honey! Are you okay?
No. Okay. I was at the airport getting into a cab when this woman, this blonde planet with a pocketbook, starts yelling at me. Something about how it was her cab first, and then the next thing I know, she just starts pulling me out by my hair. You know, and then so I'm blowing my attack whistle thingy, and 3 more cabs show up. So, as I'm going to get into a cab, she tackles me. And I hit my head on the curb and cut my lip on my whistle. Oh, everybody having fun at the party?
This year was supposed to be great.